DJT stock analysis. Is it a buy? This for tomorrow and onward. In this 1-minute video, I'm answering that and giving you my Trump media stock analysis and price prediction. So, looking at DJT, stock that's been kind of going down now. As long as we sit inside this gray zone, as long as we sit there, I'm still gonna wait for the price to give me this 4-hour double break, so then I can take it higher, and it's not gonna change because, like I said, it's like a 4-hour thing. I want to see if it's a 2-hour thing. My bad, it's not 4 but 2. So if I see like a 2-hour double break above that point, then I'm good to go. If I don't, then I'm not gonna take a buy. Like, the red thing needs to happen first for me to then take advantage of the black line to the upside. So yeah, looks quite optimistic, but I cannot count on my fingers. I mean, I have made 24,000 videos how much this stuff has worked. So if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars, and I'll see you in the next